Plyer versus Doe arose in the state of Texas. Texas had passed a law saying that they were not going to provide funding to local school districts from the state for the payment for educating illegal immigrants. Most states, they allocate money to school districts based on the number of students. And they said, hey, we'll count all the students that are, lawfully, citizens, residents of the United States, but not for the children of illegal immigrants. In the city of Tyler, Texas, little town at that time, only about 65,000 people, I believe, set up a policy and said, hey, we will only educate the children of illegal immigrants if they pay a $1,000 fee for tuition for their education. So bingo, the case winds up going to court, goes all the way to the United States Supreme Court. The Supreme Court, in a 5-4 majority ruling, very narrow, obviously, 5-4, said, well, they should be permitted free public education. And they relied on the last phrase, the last clause of the 14th Amendment that I read, not the last of the amendment, the last one I read, that says no person should be denied equal protection of the laws. And so that kind of created this whole ethos in much of America, the idea that children of illegal immigrants should be treated just like citizens, even though they are not citizens, as we would argue, but they should be treated like citizens, therefore they must be citizens. And that kind of gave rise to this attitude on the part of the public. And here's where we are today. Many people assume everybody born in this country is a citizen. They're not, unless their parents were lawfully here. In any case, Trump's order is thrown the matter. It's already in the courts. And ultimately, it's going to be the United States Supreme Court that has to decide this. I tend to believe that the Supreme Court is going to side with President Trump and say only the children of people lawfully in the United States can be treated as United States citizens.